In this video, you'll learn how to effectively combine email and SMS marketing using Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will have created a customer journey that integrates both communication methods, enhancing your marketing strategy. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the home screen where you can see your dashboard and various marketing options. Next, locate the option labeled Build from Scratch on your dashboard. This option is typically found within the customer journey section. Click on it to proceed to the next step, where you will start creating your marketing flow. After that, you will see a new screen prompting you to set up your flow. Click on the Flow Details button, which is usually positioned prominently on this page. This action allows you to configure the specifics of your customer journey. Once the Flow Details screen appears, look for the Name Flow field. Click on this field to enter a name for your marketing flow. Choosing a descriptive name helps you identify the purpose of this flow later. Type in the name you have chosen for your flow in the designated field. It is important to choose something relevant, as this will help you manage multiple flows effectively. After entering the name, you can proceed to the next configuration step. Now click on the Choose a Trigger button. This selection is crucial as it determines the starting point of your customer journey. After clicking, a list of trigger options will be displayed for you to choose from. A message will appear stating that these starting points are popular with other Mailchimp customers. Review the available triggers to find one that suits your marketing strategy. This step is essential for ensuring your flow aligns with your audience's behaviors. Next, click on the option labeled Signs Up for Email. This trigger will initiate your flow when a user signs up for your email list. After selecting this option, you will need to confirm your choice to move forward. Once you have selected the trigger, click on the Close Modal button to dismiss the pop-up window. This action allows you to return to the main flow editor, where you can continue building your customer journey. Click on the Actions button next. This will open a menu where you can select the actions that will take place within your flow. Look for the Send Email action and drag it into the central area of the flow builder. After placing the Send Email action, click on the To and From section. This option allows you to configure the sender information and the recipients for your email. Properly setting this up ensures your message reaches the right audience. Next, click on the Subject field to enter the subject line for your email. A compelling subject line is key to improving your email open rates, so take time to craft one that captures attention. Now click on the Schedule option to set the timing for your email to be sent. Scheduling your email at the right time can significantly impact engagement rates, so consider your audience's habits when setting this. After scheduling, click on the Tracking option. This feature allows you to enable tracking for your email, providing valuable insights into its performance. Make sure to activate any relevant tracking features. Once you have set up tracking, click on the Close button to exit this section. This will bring you back to the main flow editor, where you can finalize your journey. Next, click on Send SMS and drag this action into the center of the flow builder. Integrating SMS marketing with your email strategy can provide a more comprehensive communication approach to your audience. Finally, click on the Close Modal button to finish setting up your SMS action. This step ensures that you've completed the integration of SMS within your marketing flow. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.